Tiger friends, it's time for cooking. So we're gonna make Play-Doh today. And I've got 2 cups of water. So you can see there's 1, 2, and I'm gonna pour the water in my bowl. There we go. And I've got flour, okay? Not the kind you smell, not the kind that's pretty and grows outside, but the kind you cook with. And we're gonna use 2 cups of flour. Pouring it in. If we were making it together, I would have you help me pour it in. Okay, there we go. 2 cups of flour. Now I'm going to pour that in my bowl. All right, now here is my favorite ingredient in just about anything. Some salt. All right. Now this is just plain salt, but whatever kind of salt you have, for the most part, will work. Just regular salt. All right, we're just going to use 1 cup of salt. So we're going to pour it right about there. Pouring it in. Takes a lot of salt for Play-Doh. There we go. There's 1 cup of salt. All right, now we're going to put in a tablespoon of oil. And that, I've made a lot of Play-Doh in my years, so that is about half of one of these. And cream of tartar. Okay. All right, now, there's only one other thing we need for our Play-Doh, because I want to make this blue Play-Doh because we're learning about the color blue. So we need one more thing. You can use blue unsweetened Kool-Aid if you wanted to have a fun smell. And I'm stirring it up, okay? But I'm just going to use blue food coloring. So I have blue food coloring right here. I'm going to open the lid. And I'm just going to put a few drops in. Why don't you count with me? Let's put in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're going to stir it up. See how it's turning blue? Very nice. I'm going to put in 5 more because that is not very blue. 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had 5 and 5. If you want, you can get out 5 blocks and then 5 more blocks and see how many that makes all together. All right, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it. So I need to turn my oven on. My stove. I'm going to turn on my stove and I'm going to pour in the Play-Doh. Right now it doesn't look very fun to play with. And I need to heat it up and cook it. In the classroom, Miss W would be doing this while I'm still talking to you guys. So right now, I'm going to stir this up, and when I'm all done, I'm going to scoop it out and put it in bags for you guys to play with. We'll make sure it gets to your house at the end of next week and you'll be able to play with it. You have little Play-Dohs to play with for this week. And so think about that. We poured in water, we poured in flour, we poured in salt, and then a little bit of oil, a little bit of cream of tartar. And we stirred it all up, and the last thing you're going to get to do is play with it. Okay, great. Have a great day. Bye-bye, friends.